A duel the universe has never witnessed before. Newton with the sword of gravity and Einstein with the shield of space-time. But this is not just a fleeting battle. It's a war between two minds, not on familiar battlefields, but in limitless arenas. The arena of ideas, with the laws of the universe as the hostage. One of them holds an apple. It made history. When it fell, it brought down the ignorance of humanity and discovered the secret of gravity. He is the master of laws, the engineer of motions, who made the universe a clock with its hands in perfect harmony. And the other was not satisfied with that clock. He dismantled its hands and broke its boundaries. And he told the world, time is not absolute and light waits for no one. He bent space, making equations the gateway to understanding what lies beyond the stars. Get ready, not just for a clash of geniuses, but for a confrontation that shakes the very laws of the universe, a collision between an apple that fell and ideas that soared until they touched the edges of time. Imagine a sword whose logic is gravity, and a shield that does not protect a body but bends time itself. In this arena, the noise will fade and the truth will emerge, in a place where swords are not raised but equations are. Where strength is measured by logic and proof, not by iron and fire. In this arena, boundaries will fall when ideas rise, in a world where lands are not invaded, but cosmic secrets are, where greatness is measured by achievements, not by weapons. In this arena, no place for blood, only for equations. No cry of pain, but the echo of ideas. Exploding in your minds before reaching your ears, who will prevail? Will Newton remain, the unyielding ruler of the kingdom of rigid laws? Or Einstein, the revolutionary who turned the throne upside down and changed our view of the universe? But wait, this is not just a clash of ideas. Every equation Newton carved into the pages of history became the nucleus of every spacecraft that broke through the atmosphere, and every law he formulated is the reason for planes soaring, rockets launching, and even every apple falling since that day. As for Einstein, his equations didn't stay on paper, but manifested in every smartphone in your pocket, and in every GPS system that pinpoints your location precisely due to the bending of space-time. In fact, his theories were the key to creating the greatest power humanity has ever known: nuclear energy. This is not just a story. The battle has begun, and ideas are colliding. If you enjoyed this great clash, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments, because great minds meet in discussion. Imagine swimming through an endless expanse of space, weightless, where stars shimmer like melodies in a cosmic symphony. Every planet, every comet, every tiny particle moves in harmony like an ancient dance woven from threads of eternity. Chaos has no place here. Everything follows a precise rhythm, as though the entire universe is playing an immortal sonata on the instrument of time. This is how Newton envisioned the universe, a colossal machine operating with enchanting precision, its gears of determinism turning like components of a cosmic orchestra, playing a flawless melody. At the heart of this grand machine lies not mere equations, but eternal harmonies, secret codes that play the universe's own melody, the first. If unforced to change, you will remain forever as you are, drifting in eternal tranquility. The second, force alone births motion, the magical key that sketched our dreams, F equals ma. The third, if you push the world, it will push back, strike the earth, and its echo will answer without hesitation. These are not mere laws. They are enchanted keys, unlocking doors to fantastical realms. They are tickets to that cosmic theater where stars dance and space vibrates with the pulse of motion, just as we once eagerly awaited. On those dream-filled nights, the magic shows that captivated eyes and stole hearts. Time is not merely a flowing river. It can be folded like the pages of an old diary. Moments of the past meet the present in an eternal dance, its rhythm boundless. When Einstein stepped onto the stage, he brought not cold equations but breath-stealing magic, as though a hero from an unforgettable film had arrived to rewrite the story. He stood there, then whispered softly. Newton said, "Gravity is a force." Einstein smiled. "It is curvature, like the flicker of old cinema lights bending to tell tales of love and adventure in every corner of the cosmos." Then another echo resounded. Newton said, "Time is constant." Einstein smiled. "It stretches and shrinks." Just as we in our childhood stared awestruck at the screen, watching wonders unfold, realizing time is not what it seems, but a symphony whose melodies shift with every new gaze upon the world. Then he dropped the bomb. E equals mc squared, an equation of 3 symbols. Yet within its folds lie echoes of the past and the dawn of the future. It was never just numbers. It was a gateway to an endless voyage between worlds we once deemed impossible and a new era carrying a different sunrise. In a corner of this cosmic spectacle, Newton stands tall, like a hero sprung from mythic pages, eyes gleaming with certainty as he declares, "The world is an open book. Everything within it is predictable, no secrets." Just as we were spellbound by films that told clear tales with known endings, where everything followed fixed rules. But from the shadows, another voice whispers, "The world is a dream. Everything in it depends on who observes it, from what angle, and at what speed." Just as adventure films flung open doors to marvels, upending reality's laws, leaving us in unending astonishment. Imagine a rocket launching, the star of a classic film. Newton shouts, "You'll need immense force to break free from gravity." Einstein smiles, "Beware. The closer you get to light speed, your mass will grow, and time will slow." In this moment, the contours of the past melt into the gleam of the future, returning us to those story-filled nights when we believed anything was possible. In every passing moment, the fingerprints of these two geniuses touch your life. When you open your phone, remember that Einstein's relativity made GPS possible, where distance maps bend like space-time itself. And when the plane carrying you soars skyward, recall that Newton's laws grant you the power to defy gravity, to rise and glide as though part of an equation in the heavens. But even in places seemingly distant from physics, their mark lingers. Nuclear energy, lighting cities and altering history's course, was but a reflection of Einstein's legendary equation, E equals mc squared, a formula that turned matter into energy, unveiling a secret no one had dared imagine. And we arrive at the moment when the screen lights up, declaring the truth we've long awaited. Newton mapped the cosmos. Einstein added its hidden dimensions. As our memories merge with tales of a golden age, we find the universe is not a battle, but a bewitching symphony blending the pulse of determinism and the splendor of relativity. And now, who wins, Newton or Einstein? The answer is you, living in a world shaped by both geniuses, a world whose laws stretch not just into the past, but as a shadow over every step you take, from your first breath to your heart's final beat. This is not just a story, it is the greatest intellectual showdown humanity has ever known. But wait, a battle is only a spark, and an idea is only the beginning. If science has warriors, then you are its sword and shield, and thanks to you, this journey continues. Press like and share your thoughts in the comments, for perhaps your words will be the seed of a new battle. Another battle between the greatest minds. If you want more, the world never runs out of geniuses, and these battles will never end. Subscribe now and get ready for what's to come.